navigating essential services like banks, post offices, and supermarkets requires specific phrases to communicate your needs effectively. Here's a guide to help you in these environments. At the bank, making transactions. I'd like to withdraw some money, please. Can I check my account balance? Opening an account or asking for advice. I'm interested in opening a new account. Could you recommend the right kind of account for me? Currency exchange. I need to exchange some currency. What's the exchange rate for dollars? General inquiries. Is there a fee for PayPal? How do I apply for a credit card? At the post office, sending mail or packages. I'd like to send this package to New York. What are the shipping options available? Asking about costs and delivery time. How much will it cost to send this? How long does it take for a parcel to reach New York? Buying stamps. I need some stamps for domestic letters. Tracking or receiving items. I'm expecting a parcel. Has it arrived? Can I track my shipment? At the supermarket, finding items. Where can I find milk? Do you have chocolate biscuits? Asking about products. Is this product organic? Can you tell me more about this product? At the checkout. Could I get a bag, please? Is this the right line for fewer than 10 items? Payment questions. Do you accept credit cards? Where can I find an ATM? General tips, be clear and specific. Clearly state what you need help with. Be polite. Use please and thank you. They go a long way in any interaction. Ask for clarification. If you don't understand something, it's okay to ask. Could you explain that again, please? Practice scenario. Suppose you're at the bank and you want to withdraw money from your account. You could say, "Hello? I'd like to withdraw $200 from my account, please." Using these phrases will make your visits to the bank, post office, and supermarket smoother and more efficient. Remember, practicing these phrases will help you become more confident in using them. Good luck with your errands.